we realized the lack of resources in our rural communities. Do yourself a favor and be embarrassed to go to Freedom Court. And that's a court where this community has to go to every day. I went there. It was unacceptable. But we also thought that we should try and honor the community and live up to what we say we want to do, that we want to deliver quality justice accessible to our people. That's why we came here. And from our office, and you'll see a lot of people with these fancy striped ties around. There were some officials from the Office of the Chief Justice in the Western Cape. They reached out and everybody came on board. The municipality, the municipal manager, Mr. Medley, is here. Thank you. It wasn't a struggle. This venue was made available through the generosity of the people of Saldanha. They had to take a few council decisions not to charge us, because they had to bill us in terms of the municipal e-finance management structure. And the municipality wrote off the charge. Initially it was for less than a month. It became 3 months. Other community organizations had to make a sacrifice because we took their space. And a facility like this is needed for our communities. But they need a court as well. Our people are listening. Why must poor people take a taxi to Vredenburg and go and stand in a queue and not being able to help? And it's those GBV clients commissioner and the maintenance people only to come back, not to be helped. It's unacceptable.
Has been representing Steveno van Rhyn, Judge Erasmus has imposed life sentence for human trafficking charge, and for kidnapping, 10 years imprisonment. What is the process now? What's the future for Steveno van Rhyn?
The legal future for Steveno van Rhyn is for the defense to appeal. We'll be appealing the conviction, we'll be appealing the sentence.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. van Rhyn following the judgment, the sentencing rather, by Judge Nathan Erasmus, who on numerous occasions said he did not show any sort of remorse following this entire trial, but also with the interview that he had with the probation officer this past weekend?
Yes, after the sentence, I've spoken to him. He's fine.
Do you still maintain, listening to the evidence of the trial for about 10 weeks, that your client is innocent?
My client is still innocent.
You still maintain that his only crime was that he was trying to sell his microwave and he was at the wrong place at the wrong time, and perhaps why?
Yes, I still maintain that. My client on that day was when selling his microwave. He was at the wrong place at the wrong time. He has no knowledge of defense, he has no knowledge of corruption.
But what do you make out of the statement that he made to the probation officer this past weekend, that he does not care for Joshlin?
Because the matter is still pending, we are going on appeal, and out of respect, I won't comment on that.
Thank you so much for your time. That is
It was.
where Joshlin, what happened?
And so how are you feeling now that she's going to spend more than 20 years in prison, and are you still hopeful that Joshlin will somewhere or somehow turn up?
Ons sal altyd hoopvol wees. Ons gaan die opgee nie want dis is 'n opsie. So en ek sal altyd met Kelly gaan praat. Kelly was die vrou wat my toegelaat het in haar kind se lewe, wat ons toegelaat het in haar kind se lewe. Ek sal nooit ophou om daar te gaan praat nie tot ons nie 'n antwoord het.
I have to say this, unfortunately, I'm going to have to.
Funeka bebe khona bebe baninzi bakaloku iyona nto siyilwela esilweni uba angaphumi apha phakathi. Iyona nto ndiyifunayo mna usiya ndifuna angaphumi apha phakathi. Ndifuna phela apha phakathi. Ndifuna abantu bakokuba bazomthatha ngebhokisi phaa epozo. Phakathi kuthethiwe ke into yobana limisiwe limiselwe i-5 kaJuni for umcuphi. Kuyinto ezisafunwa ukukhangelwa kumcuphi malunga noSiya. Qonda njena. Kaloku uSiya unezinto ezininzi, unamakhaya amaninzi ndiyayiqonda into bilapha apha ikhoyo. Kuba kaloku mhlawumbi nalapha ebethe uzawufikela khona xa ebheyiliwe inoba waliwa akafunwanga. Ndiyaqonda isidlwengu, akukho mntu unofuna isidlwengu. Uyawuqonda uyawudlwengula naba lapha kuye endlini. Ndiphinde ndithi ndenza umbulelo kakhulu ngabantu abazidinayo. Ndiyazibona uba abantu bayandithanda, kodwa ke nam ndiyabathanda. Ndiyasithanda isapoti senu kakhulu. Ndiyabulela bethunana kuzo zonke eziwadi zide zaphuma. Itsho ukuthi iyasiqinisa, iqinisa nomntana mamathambo yonke loo nto leyo. Enkosi ngowungazenzi.